Here is a simple hack to help you play more expressively and also to bring in mindfulness into your playing. So, for us as qanun players, we do not have sustained sound. So the minute you pluck, the sound starts to die out. So we hack that by using different ornamentation techniques. And one of the key ones is called tremolo. So this is such a rich ornamentation technique and it's so versatile. You can use it in gazillions of ways. So here is a simple hack to help you using the tremolo to play to sound more like the human voice. You know if they translate the notion of the voice, it will be like a wave. So we are going to aim to copy that. So if you see that the wave has a low point and then a peak and then a low point again. Da. Do you see how? And that sounds like the human voice. So I always prescribe this to my students. So if you practice that over 2 counts, okay, and you are gonna start with a low dynamic, towards the middle you're gonna have a high dynamic, and then you're gonna end with a low dynamic again, right? So if we do it over 2 counts, it'll be 1, 2. And if you want to combine that with deep breath from the belly, then that brings in mindfulness into your playing. I actually always tell my students to do that in their warm-up exercises. So here's how it will look like. Inhale, exhale, up, dynamics going down, wave, down. So obviously this takes time. Controlling dynamics is something that is particularly important for qanunis who are stage 3 on the success path onwards, and obviously it's something that you will master over a long period of time. So don't get phased out if you don't get it straight away. So remember, in breath as you are doing the first half of the wave, and then out breath as you are doing the second half of the wave. So in breath, out breath. In breath, out breath. So this mirroring between your body and the qanun creates embodied playing, and also so it helps you to sound much more expressive. So see, it's much nicer than like a static, basically. There's no difference, there's no highs and lows in the playing. So I hope this is helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions. I'll be sure to answer them on one of my next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.